Hello Spider-Man group. So this week we are working on pages 10 and 11, Unit 3, and it's the th sound and contractions. So if we look at these green words first, we have this at the beginning, and sometimes it can sound a bit like a v sound, but be careful, it's not v. You make it by putting your tongue between your teeth. Van, van. Because if you spell it with a v, it becomes van. The bus is bigger than the van. Okay, van. Let's have a look at the next one. Them, them. It's making the same sound as the word the. Okay, the. Very tricky word to spell because it doesn't sound like how it's pronounced. It doesn't sound, like how it is spelled. The, them. But if you can spell the word the, you're just adding an on the end. Them. I am going to the shop with them. Then. Now be careful with the endings. Them, then. I am going to the shop with them. Then I'm going home. Those, those. These, these. These are my shoes. Those are your shoes. And listen to this magic E on the end and what it's doing to these middle sounds. Those, these. Now, the green words, the th was at the beginning and now it's at the end, and it's sounding more like a th sound. Both, both. Both of these are my shoes. Tooth. And remember, if you have two O's together, they make an oo sound. Tooth. The tooth fairy came last night. Path. Path. The dog walked up the path. Bath. Bath. The dog needs a bath. Now these next four are the contractions. And you can see there is the apostrophe. And the apostrophe represents letters that are missing. So I've written out these words in full. There they are. So I'm going to the shop. I am going to the shop. And what we've done is we've missed out the a. And to show that we've missed it out, we've used this apostrophe, I'm. So I am is I'm. And you need to make sure when you're spelling the word that you put the apostrophe in. I'll, the apostrophe this time, is two letters. I will get you an apple. So the w and the I are missing. I'll get you an apple. And on this one, I've is I have, and it's the h and a that it's representing. I've got a dog. I have got a dog. Another common one, it's. It's called Rover. It is called Rover. And it's the that's missing. I just cover the bottom. It looks like the apostrophe, you see? So these apostrophes here represent those letters that are missing. Okay, so you need, when you're spelling the word, to put the apostrophes in. So make sure on this first section, when your look, say, trace, cover, write and check, you're writing them nice and neatly and you're remembering these apostrophes. Now, it is nice and easy to write. Oops, I covered the screen over. That wasn't very clever. Okay, so we've got your I. And I normally put a hat and tail on it. Now, The apostrophe is like a full stop with a little tail. And then you've got your There we go. So remember, full stop with a little tail. Very important if you're spelling those words. The last two words this week, 4 and 5, the numbers. I have 4 bananas and 5 oranges. Okay, the next thing we need to do is a word worm. And you can see the word I've is in there between this first word and then the next one. And you can see they've got the apostrophe, so that's how important it is. And you just have to draw a circle around those words. The next thing we have is a word maker. So we have the th in the middle. Now some of the words that will come at the beginning, like than, but some of the words that will come at the end, like both. Okay, so you decide, does it go at the beginning or does it go at the end? And write the words nice and neatly along here. Okay, on the next page we have our crossword, and we've talked about this before. Remember, you can either start at the top and work your way down, or you could do one across and then one down. But if you get stuck on one, maybe you're not sure what's short for I am, just miss it out, go on to one of the other ones and then come back at the end, because once a few of them have been filled out, you'll have less words on your list, so it'll help you. And you'll also, for instance, if you're looking for 6 across, a large tub for washing in, if you find out what 4 down is and 5 down, then you'll have 2 of the letters, and that will make it easier. Also look at some of the other clues. For example, 5 across is a 5-letter word, whereas 7 across is only a 3-letter word. So look over on your list to see if that'll help you. Look for 5-letter words and 3-letter words. Okay, shape sorter. Now this is the really important one. This is where your handwriting comes in, because you're looking for tall letters. 1 tall letter, 3 small letters. So first of all, we're looking for a 4-letter word. Now this is a 4-letter word, but there's 2 tall letters there, so that can't be right. These are 5-letter words, so it'll not be that. This is a 4-letter word, but there's 3 tall letters and only 1 small one. So use your letters to help you. And remember, the letters might also come down. They might be low letters. P, G, Y. These letters that come below the line are low letters. So B is a 4-letter word with a low letter at the beginning and 2 high letters at the end. And this is a tricky one. This has 3 tall letters. Okay, now I'll give you a clue. This word, which has 2 tall letters at the end, will have an apostrophe. It's got 1 tall letter here because it's a capital, and then where that line is the apostrophe, and then there's 2 more tall letters. So good luck with your shape sorter, and use your handwriting to help you. Okay, enjoy, Spider-Man.